Forgot your iPhone 11 password? Or maybe Face ID just isn't working when you need it most? Don't worry, we've all been there. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate guide to unlocking your iPhone 11 without a password or Face ID. Let's get started. The first method is using Security Lockout screen. If you've entered the wrong passcode several times, the Security Lockout option will appear. Tap Forgot Passcode and tap Start iPhone Reset. Sign in with your Apple ID to erase and unlock the device. After that, you can reset iPhone as a new one. Next up, let's talk about third-party tools. Tools like MagFone iPhone Unlocker are designed to bypass your passcode quickly and safely. Run MagFone iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Connect your iPhone and select Unlock iOS screen option. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone in DFU or recovery mode. Download the firmware package. After that, click Unlock button to unlock your iPhone 11 without passcode or Face ID. The third method is using recovery mode. Here's how you do it. Connect your iPhone to a computer, quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Open iTunes or Finder. A pop-up will appear offering to restore or update your device. Choose Restore. This will erase your iPhone but also unlock it. The last method is using iCloud. Here are the detailed steps. If Find My iPhone is enabled, go to On Another Device, sign in with your Apple ID, and select Erase iPhone under the Find My iPhone section.